As far as the Jewish holidays, I know it was always a behola. My mother was always in a big rush when it came to holiday because it's almost time, bald ben shaliach. I have to say my mother was much more religious before the war. But after the war, she lit her candles Friday night, and I still do. My mother's not around anymore, but I still do as well. My mother always felt that it was good to be on his good side, in case. In case. I mean, she saw such horrible things, such terrible things, that it's hard not to question. It's easy when you don't have to experience anything like that. But she saw people at their very worst.